Let's do a quick unboxing. I'm really excited for this box. I'm really shocked when I receive these products. And right now, I haven't really used a lot of their skincare. I have probably one of their moisturizing, and it's amazing. It has become a holy grail to me. This box is so freaking cute. I am loving the packaging, the color. This is a heavy box, and we received quite a few products from Charlotte Tilbury. Here we have their magic serum. We got the goddess cleansing ritual. This is the citrus oil cleanse, and this is the charcoal cleanse. It comes with a cloth inside. We got their magic eye cream rescue. This is the magic cream, and we also got some refills. They look something like this. And next we have a Beauty Sleep elixir. This looks so good. And last, a Creo recovery face mask. Super excited to try all this skincare. Skincare is my weakness, and I feel like they're gonna make me look 10 years younger. Thank you, Charlotte Tilbury, for all these goodies.